The Wobbegong's disappearing act. Camouflage beyond compare. Wobbegons are often called a carpet sharks due to their ornate, mottled skin, which mimics coral, algae, and rocky substrates. Some species, like the tasseled wobbegong, Euchros or Hynus decipigon, take this further with elaborate dermal lobes, skin flaps, around their jaws, resembling drifting seaweed. Their complex patterns of spots, stripes, and blotches break up their outline, making them nearly invisible against the reef. Their skin has small denticles, tooth-like scales, that help them blend into rough surfaces. They remain motionless for hours, sometimes burying themselves partially in sand. When prey, like fish, octopuses, or crabs, swims too close, the wobbegong strikes in less than 1/10 of a second, faster than a human can blink. Their ability to remain unseen until the last moment makes them one of the ocean's most efficient ambush predators. Unlike torpedo-shaped sharks, wobbegons have pancake-flat bodies to hug the seafloor. These sensory organs around their mouth detect vibrations and chemical cues in the water. Used to walk along the bottom rather than swim. Wobbegons don't chase prey, they inhale it. By rapidly expanding their jaws, they create a vacuum that pulls unsuspecting victims straight into their mouths. Their long, needle-like teeth then grip the prey, preventing escape. Like all sharks, wobbegons have ampullae of Lorenzini, specialized pores that detect electrical signals from hidden prey. This allows them to hunt effectively even in complete darkness. Wobbegons are nocturnal, lying still during the day and hunting at night. They often position themselves near reef overhangs or crevices where fish seek shelter. Wobbegons are opportunistic carnivores, primarily feeding on benthic, bottom-dwelling fish, octopuses, crabs, and lobsters, which they ambush using their exceptional camouflage and rapid suction feeding mechanism. There are records of wobbegons eating small sharks, sea snakes, and even birds that land on the water. Some scientists believe wobbegons may mimic toxic or unpalatable species, deterring predators from attacking them. Females retain eggs inside their bodies until they hatch, then give birth to 20 to 40 fully developed pups. Unlike some sharks, wobbegons do not provide maternal care. The pups are independent immediately. They mature at 4 to 6 years and can live 20 to 30 years in the wild. Their slow reproduction makes them vulnerable to overfishing. Not aggressive, but they will bite if stepped on or harassed. Their bite is powerful but rarely fatal, more of a defensive reaction. Frequently caught in fishing nets and lobster traps. Coral reef degradation reduces their hunting grounds. Their attractive patterned skin is sometimes used for leather. Most species are least concern, but the western wobbegong, Erectolobus hutchinsi, is near threatened due to habitat loss. Wobbegons are a testament to evolution's creativity, blending into their surroundings so perfectly that they become one with the reef. Their ambush tactics, bizarre appearance, and patient hunting strategies make them one of the ocean's most unique sharks. Yet, despite their incredible adaptations, they remain vulnerable to human impacts. Protecting their reef habitats ensures that these masters of camouflage continue to thrive, hidden in plain sight, as they have for millions of years.